Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, commonly known as Mahatma Gandhi, once said, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever." Mahatma Gandhi's words remind us that life is fleeting, but the pursuit of knowledge is infinite. Live as if you were to die tomorrow urges us to seize every moment, embrace life fully, and chase our dreams with urgency. There is no time to waste on hesitation. Every sunrise is a gift, every opportunity a chance to make a difference. Let your actions be bold, your passions fierce, and your love unwavering, for tomorrow is never promised. Yet, learn as if you were to live forever speaks to the timeless beauty of growth. Knowledge is the bridge between who you are today and the person you are destined to become. Never stop seeking, never stop questioning, and never stop evolving. The world is a vast ocean of wisdom waiting to be explored, and every lesson you learn adds depth to your soul, fuels your purpose, and lights your path forward. In living passionately and learning endlessly, you create a life rich with meaning, where every moment counts and every lesson leads you closer to the greatness within. Let this be your mantra: to live courageously and to learn relentlessly. That's how you shape a legacy worth leaving behind.